Welcome to RCR Wireless. I'm Martha DeGrasse, and I'm here with Georges Karam. He is CEO of Sequans. It's great to see you.
Martha, pleasure for me too.
Is the show going well for you so far?
Great, very busy.
Good, good. Well, we've heard a lot here at Mobile World Congress Americas about asset tracking, and you have a big announcement in that space. Can you tell us a little bit about CLOE?
Yeah, sure. I mean, obviously when you look to the all those LTE for IoT application, asset tracking or tracking in general is really a huge application. We're seeing big potential for this market. And to do this, I mean, what we did as an announcement here, we announced a platform, we call this CLOE. And this is really
connect and locate objects everywhere, right?
Absolutely. Mm-hmm. And this is more about a partnership between ST Micro and Sequans, where we're bringing two components of the technology. On one side, we're bringing the LTM and NB-IoT technology from Sequans and the GNSS from ST. And we're putting all this together to bring a comprehensive platform for our customer to accelerate time to market and get an efficient product, software and hardware to address this market. And this is one, we saw a lot of traction, by the way, in this show around this announcement. Many customers are interested, and they see it really as a major step forward, I would say, to enable this market.
And these LTE standards are going to make asset tracking a lot more affordable, right, for some customers that might not have been able to afford it until Cat-M and NB-IoT started to hit the market. Is that correct?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, one of the obviously when you say affordable, you can refer this to the pricing, which is key point, which is LTE-M is bringing here, but also is the power consumption, because all this LTE-M and NB-IoT technology, it's designed from scratch for IoT application, i.e. optimizing power. And when you talk about tracking, whether asset or pet or people tracking or vehicle tracking, most of those applications, they need to be battery powered. And power efficiency is a key feature. And this is really happening for the first time, I tend to say, in the telco world, to have a technology efficient in power and enabling those kind of applications.
Right. Now you've also had a Cat-1 announcement. That's, I guess, one generation before Cat-M. Geotab, I think you announced that just today?
Yeah, we announced, Geotab is a strong partner. We're working with them since more than 1 year. Essentially, this is a company doing fleet management, and obviously, key component of this fleet management is tracker. And in this tracker, they use so far a Cat-1 technology, because this is something they launched a year ago, their design. And now they announced they launched their product, which is Go 8, a new generation of fleet management. And it supports Verizon network, and it supports T-Mobile network. And inside the technology, we have Sequans inside, Cat-1 technology, CLOE, which is the technology that we have in hand since 3 years.
Okay, fantastic. And AT&T recently certified that as well, right?
I mean, we are making huge progress with AT&T. It's really imminent in terms of certification. We are certified with Verizon. We are engaged with many carriers across the world. And in the US, essentially, Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile. Verizon and AT&T, both of them are on Cat-M. We are certified on Verizon, and we are within, few days to finish the AT&T certification. Absolutely.
Okay, fantastic. And you're supporting T-Mobile as well.
We're supporting T-Mobile with the NB-IoT. You need to keep in mind that our Monarch platform that we have today has, two major advantages that make it a global, I would say, platform that can go everywhere in the world, because we support all frequency band with no extra cost. So we can change frequency and going from one carrier to another carrier by software, all this frequency. And also very important that we are dual mode. We support LTE-M and NB-IoT. And as you know, T-Mobile announced NB-IoT launch, while Verizon and AT&T, they are on Cat-M, at least for the starting phase. And this is good for us because we are able to serve the 3 carriers with the same platform.
Right. And quietly, AT&T also said that they will roll out Cat-M as well.
I mean, obviously, it's not a competing technology. When you think about Cat-M and NB-IoT, they are complementary. And that's why, by the way, the standard is coming with those two technologies. One is more designed for very low speed application that can sustain latency and so on. The other one is more towards mobility, high speed, the Cat-M. And at the end, carrier, they need to start with something. They cannot launch the two technologies at the same time. And some carriers worldwide, by the way, they pick M as a first start, and then they will follow with NB-IoT. Others, they took the reverse way to start this. So we see in the US that Verizon and AT&T started with M, but both of them are talking about why not NB-IoT as well. We're looking to use cases to serve there, and T-Mobile took the reverse, I'll say, path by starting with NB-IoT, and they talk as well that why not LTE-M in the future.
And your chip can be upgraded or over the air, right?
Yeah,
to move from
it
one
will
to
be.
the other,
It
right?
can support the image, can support the two technology. We can
Yeah.
even we can even switch from one mode to another mode depending where we are and what carrier we are connecting to.
So a carrier customer could do that. They could switch
Absolutely.
from one to the other in the future.
Absolutely.
All right, interesting. All right, Georges Karam, Sequans, thank you so much.
Thank you very much. I appreciate the call.